Okay, welcome back. So we're back here again doing funky things with this. So what I need to do now is, oops, hang on, undo that. I need to select more tools that I'm going to use. So I'm going to pick my distribution objects, I'm going to use the big bolts, and I'm going to use this seal. Okay, next I'm going to start placing them on this shape here. So first of all I'm going to start with the tool bolts, which I'm going to place carefully in the corners. Give it a very kind of ironclad kind of look, really. Not to say that this is an ironclad, this is a mixture of various styles. You may notice, obviously, I've got kind of grey wolf iconography that I'm using on it. Yeah, I like the grey wolf iconography, so that's a Y. Okay, let's put our tool emblem in. It's obviously too large at the moment, but it won't be soon. There we go. Now come out of the place tool for a minute, and I can shrink these down. Make sure they're sitting on it properly. Okay, and back to this. We can have some seals on this. Like so, maybe one, maybe two. Don't want them to intersect, however, so let's see. Actually, no, that's not bad. Okay, that'll do. Now, let's look up the top here. Could probably do with some more bolts. And I'm going to remove that rocket launching pad thing as well. Or flare launcher, or whatever the hell it is. And there. Basically, our job is just to make this look nice. And that means putting a shed ton of detail objects all over the damn thing. If you want to mix and match a bit and add some more kind of styles to it, be very careful. You don't want to spoil your model. Just going to add two here. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely getting rid of that. I don't know, I just don't like it very much. Okay. Turn off the placement tool. And what I'm going to do next is hide this. And hide this. And that will just leave the parts I need attaching. Okay, and I'll attach all. And just wait a moment. Okay, so that's attached all those to the front there. Now I'm going to kill this thing. And it's gone. Okay, I don't need to use my tool selection at the moment. Okay, that's good. I could do with doing an edge checks on it. So before I do it, I want to workbench it. Don't get me wrong, edge checks is good, very good, but I've got a lot of polygons sitting here.